Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Snake River Junction. My name is Gary. In this episode, I'm working on the Athearn Southern Pacific passenger car. I'm installing LEDs. What I'm going to be doing is putting LEDs in these passenger cars. I first cut tubing to fit between the axles and soldered a wire across each of the axles. Thanks to ModelTrainSounds.com, I now have a simple method of electrical pickup. The parts that I'm going to be using are bridge rectifiers, some resistors, capacitors, and strips of LEDs. These already have resistors on it, but they're kind of bright, so I'm going to dim it down with some resistors. I'm beginning the process by soldering the bridge rectifier to the capacitor. So the positive is one with that silver dot to the positive end of the capacitor. Tinning the capacitor, tinning the bridge rectifier, soldering the bridge rectifier to the capacitor. First the positive side, then the negative. Now the second one. And now the last one. Now I'm adding a wire to run it underneath. I made a hole so I have to feed it through, leaving some slack so the wheel can turn. Same thing on this other wheel. Now I have two wires for the pickups done. Solder the resistor on the positive side, just negative I just put a blue wire there to extend it. Now I have to solder it to the capacitor, the positive end on the positive side. And the negative on the negative side. Connector wires could go on these two. Then connect the LED strip to the shell with the adhesive tape that's on the back. Might have made the wires too long. Ended up putting a little tape to hide the wire a little bit. Let's test it out. And then if I let go of it and connect it, light will slowly go up. The remaining two cars were done the same way. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.